Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to hang our single layer magnetic wallpaper. First, ensure your wall surface is smooth, clean and dry. We recommend using a non-oil based wallpaper primer or lining paper to ensure the best finish and easier removal in the future. Draw a straight line vertically down from the ceiling to the skirting board. Wallpaper width -2 cm away from the corner where you'll begin hanging the wallpaper. This is because not all walls are perfectly straight. By leaving an extra 2 cm of paper, we can cover any deviations in the angle of the wall. Use either a plumb line or a metal ruler with a spirit level to make sure the vertical line is straight. Evenly apply the adhesive directly onto the wall using a brush or a short pile emulsion roller, applying slightly beyond the plumb line. To check if you've applied enough paste, drag your finger across the pasted area on the wall. It should leave a mark. Apply the first drop of your wall covering to the wall so that it touches the vertical plumb line drawn in step 1. Smooth the wallpaper down with a good quality smoothing brush or a plastic smoother, expelling any air bubbles and paste. Leave a slight overhang on the top and bottom, which will be trimmed later. If wallpaper paste gets on the printed side, immediately wipe it off with a damp sponge before it dries. Trim any excess wallpaper from the top, left corner and bottom with a sharp knife. Hang a second drop. Do not overlap. Use butt joints. After hanging 2 lengths, check for shading, wallpaper printing faults, and that wallpaper is hung the correct way up. At this point, if you're unhappy, stop. If there is any edge or area where the wallpaper has not adhered fully to the wall, you can apply more paste with a small brush. If necessary, you can use a seam roller for the wallpaper seams. Make sure to keep hands clean and dry when doing so. After you're satisfied with the wallpaper already in place, continue hanging additional drops using the same technique. Due to the interactive nature of our magnetic wallpaper, apply a protective varnish to prevent marks and ensure longevity. Please do not place magnets on the wallpaper until the varnish is fully cured, approximately 5 days after the varnish has been applied. Now you're all set. You can now place your magnetic characters and buildings on the wallpaper and write in the speech bubbles to create your own unique wall story.